guys, welcome to the Crafty Space. Today I will be finishing up the painting series, then heading over to a bracelet video, so let's hop right into it. The third painting to this series is a picture of a road with a sun and some hills. I decided to start off with the sun in the picture, and I did this by taking my orange paint and painting a circle just by twirling my paintbrush. The next step was to paint the hill on the left of the road, so I took some teal and I just went ahead and roughly painted a hill that kind of looked like a cloud. I just kind of guessed where I should put it. Any part of this painting does not have to be perfect because afterwards it will be outlined in black, so it will not be the main focal point. Once I settled on a look for my hill, I took some blue paint and touched up the edges. To make the dark gray color that I painted my hill on the right with, I just went ahead and took some light blue paint and some black paint, and I just mixed them together until I found a color that was kind of a blue-gray that I was satisfied with. Using this color, I painted my second hill on the right. My highway will wrap around this hill. I just made a rough outline of my hill and then took my paintbrush and filled it right on in. If you haven't already, I'd love it if you subscribed and joined the Crafty Space family. This way you can stay updated on what happens and what new videos come out. Then for my highway, I took pink and I also took orange, and then again I mixed the two colors together to make a peach. That is going to be the color for my road. To paint my road, I went ahead and just filled in any extra space and left no white in between the two hills. Once the paint was fully dry, I took black and a fine paintbrush and I outlined each of the objects a bit off-centered. To give the sun a bit more dimension and character, I added rays of sunshine that were in the shapes of triangles. I added them all around the sun. I then noticed that there was a blank spot in the canvas, and so I decided to fill it in with a light blue cloud. And just the same steps as the other objects, I went ahead with the base color, and then once it had dried, I outlined it with, again, the black paint and thin paintbrush. Go ahead and comment right down below which one of the three paintings I painted was your favorite. Was it the modern cityscape, the rainbow with the words, or this one, the highway with the two hills and the sun and the cloud? I would love to know your answers, so comment right down below. And that is it for today. This is how my painting turned out. I loved it. It is sitting in my room right now with the two paintings on either side of it. If you would like to see a picture, please also comment that down below. Thanks so much for watching. I would love it if you hit the big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.